Yes, sir.
स्टूडेंट्स को पता है ना कि वी हैव स्वैप्ड द लेक्चर विद हिमाली मैम. Okay, any one of you please recall what we have done in the last lecture. कहाँ तक हमने किया था, कहाँ तक पहुंचे थे?
Sir, from binary to two's complement.
Binary to 2's complement.
Yes, sir.
Whether I have taken the completion of 2's complement कैसा होता है? Whether I have shown you the method, the shortcut method to get the 2's complement directly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So in the last lecture we have done with 2's complement. I have explained you about the 1's complement. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So while explaining you the 1's and 2's complement, already I have told you there are three different ways in which your negative numbers can be represented. Okay, the representation of negative number. Okay, so it is the signed representation. So the first one is signed representation, or it is called as a sign magnitude representation in a better way. Signed magnitude representation. Then the second one is your 1's complement, and third one is your 2's complement. Okay, so these are all in which you negative numbers can be represented. I have given you the example of -3, -2, -4, and so on and so forth. So in this, I have explained you that the first important thing which students find it difficulty is that 1's and 2's complement is purely for negative number. Okay, लेकिन अगर हम बोलते हैं कि what is the 1's and 2's complement of a positive number, it is the same. It is same for sign magnitude. It is same for 1's complement. It is same for 2's complement. Okay, क्योंकि ये जो sign magnitude 1's and 2's complement है, ये purely सिर्फ negative number के लिए है. And other than negative numbers, all other positive numbers will have the same representation, whether it is a 1's complement, 2's complement, or sign magnitude. Okay, so that was our understanding. The next thing is that whenever you talk about this 1's complement and 2's complement, we are nothing but what we are doing, we are converting this uh, negative number into positive number. Okay, try to understand the concept. We are actually converting your negative number into positive. Now if you ask me, sir, how that negative number is getting converted into positive, then what is the significance of that negative number? What is the importance of that negative number? Okay, for example, if I'm writing down -3, and I want its 1's complement, as far as sign magnitude is concerned, okay, sign magnitude is concerned, you will be writing down this -3 as what? It will be written as 1 1 0 and 1 1 1 or 1 0 1 1. You can start from MSB. So here I have already told you MSB gives you the understanding whether the number is positive or negative. So if I'm writing down -3 in sign magnitude format, it will be written as 1011, where your MSB indicates whether the number is positive or negative. If that MSB is 1, it is negative. If it is 0, it is positive. Okay, and the remaining bits will indicate the magnitude. So one will represent the negative sign, and the other remaining bits will represent the magnitude. That is a sign magnitude. In 1's complement, -3 will be written as what? It will be you have to take the complement of the bits. You have to take the complements of the bit. How you should take the complement of the bit? The first important thing is that you should take the binary representation of 3. You should take the binary representation of 3. So binary representation of 3 will be it is 0 0 1 1. It will be 0 0 1 1. And if I want the 1's complement, every bit will be complemented. So it will become 1 1 0 0. It will become 1 1 0 0. it will become 1100. Okay, so 0011 is the binary representation of 3, and its complement will give you 1's complement. What about the 2's complement? 2's complement, we have to just add 1 to the LSB of 1's complement. Okay, LSB of 1's complement. So here you have got 1100 as your 1's complement. You have to just add 1 to the LSB. So it will be like, I'm writing down here, it will be 1100. You have to add 1. So this is a binary addition. So 0 plus 1 gives you 1. 0 वैसे के वैसे, 1 1 वैसे के वैसे. So it gives you 1101. 1101. So this is your 2's complement. This is your 2's complement. This is your 2's complement. Even I have told you, instead of going through the 1's complement directly, you can get 2's complement. How do you get the 2's complement? For that, we have to see the binary representation of 3. So if you see here, the binary representation of 3 is 0011. You have to start from right towards the left, and whenever you encounter 1, the first one, 1 के अगर पहले लेफ्ट, 1 के पहले अगर राइट साइड में कुछ है तो वैसे के वैसे लिखोगे आप. लेकिन ड्यूरिंग द जर्नी इफ यू एनकाउंटर फर्स्ट वन, then that one will be written as it is. That will be written as it is. I'm writing down here at downside. That will be written as it is, and the remaining bits towards the left hand side of 1 will be complemented. So it will be 1 का हो जाएगा 0, और ये 0 का हो जाएगा 1, ये 0 का हो जाएगा 1. So it is 1101. 1101. So can you see here 1101 is directly written as 1101. So I am skipping one step. This is just for your understanding. It is not something it is not something the new which I am explaining you. But if you want to directly, if someone asks you 2's complement, directly you can get 2's complement without getting 1's complement, and this is the way how you should get it. Okay. So either of the way you can go. So this is how your -3 is represented. If you ask me what is the representation of +3, it is the same for all the 3. It will be the same for all the 3. So first +3 will be written as 0011. It will be written as 0011. Okay. Then for 1's complement, it is again 0011. It will be again 0011. Then in the 2's complement, again it will be 001. It will be 001. So it is the same throughout. It is the same throughout. So I think this was the revision which I was requiring to take, because depending upon this, we have some problem to be answered, and what are these problems you will see right now. Till now, any question, any doubt you have? Any question, any doubt? Yes, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
आ रही है.
हाँ, सब क्लियर है ना यहाँ तक सभी को?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
सब
Yes,
सेम
sir.
ही रहते हैं दोनों 1's
हाँ,
complement एंड
हाँ.
complement.
हाँ, पॉजिटिव नंबर साइन मैग्नीट्यूड में वही रहेगा, 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट में वही रहेगा, और 1's कॉम्प्लीमेंट में वही रहेगा, क्योंकि हम जब 1's और 2's और साइन मैग्नीट्यूड की जब बात करते थे, इट इज प्योरली द रिप्रेजेंटेशन फॉर नेगेटिव नंबर. इट इज नॉट द रिप्रेजेंटेशन फॉर पॉजिटिव नंबर. So as far as positive numbers are concerned, it is only the binary representation, which is the same for 3 cases.
Okay,
Is it
sir.
fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will move to the next part now. The next part is about that. I think that is the last part remaining as far as this module number 1 is concerned. Now, what is the significance of 1's and 2's complement? What is the importance of this? Now, the simple importance of 1's and 2's complement is that these 1's and 2's complement can be used to get the difference of two numbers. To get the difference of two numbers. So that thing I will explain you with an example. I will take a small example, and you will try to understand this concept of 1's complement and 2's complement. I want everyone to pay attention. यहाँ पे भी students की they create some problem. Okay, they get some wrong answers while doing the calculations, because their basics are not clear, as well as they do not understand the steps which has to be followed to get the difference of the two numbers. Okay, I will give you with an example. While giving you an example, we will try to understand how do you solve this by 1's and 2's complement. Okay, you can write down in your register also. I will take two examples. Okay, the same example will be solved by 2's complement also. The result will, whatever the result we will fetch the same result. The first important thing which I'm going to explain you is that 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3. These two numbers are in decimal. So for your better understanding, I'm writing down this 5 with the base as 10 and this 3 with the base as 10. And what is the answer in decimal? 5 minus 3 will give you 2 in decimal 10. Will give 2 in decimal 10. Okay, so this is a simple calculation in decimal format. But the question is asked in the final exam to find the answer by using 1's complement, to find this answer by using 2's complement. Okay, so directly I will first explain you with the 1's complement, then we will try to understand with the 2's complement. Okay, and the steps are near about the same. The steps are near about the same. Okay, so all of you are there with me now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
okay. So when you find this 5 minus 3, you will get 2. I want this to solve this by using 1's complement. Okay, the 1's complement. The first important thing, represent this 5 in binary form, and this is the sign of 5 is positive. The sign of 3 is negative. Okay, so this will be treated as negative number. This will be treated as positive number. So as far as 1's complement is there, you know that it has to be represented for negative number only. So पहले मैं 5 put in binary form. It will be written as 0 1 0 1. It will be written as 0 1 0. So this is a binary representation. So I can write down the base as 2. I can write down the base as 2. Okay. Now I want the 1's complement representation of minus 3. I want the 1's complement representation of minus 3. So minus 3 in 1's complement can be represented as, this is 1's complement, this is 1's complement. So this can be represented as what? So for minus 3, how will you represent this in 1's complement? So 3 can be written in binary as 0 0 1 1, 0 0 1 1. In 1's complement, you have to complement all the 4 bits. It will become 1 1 0 0, 1 1 0 0. So this is your binary representation, and this is your 1's complement. This is your 1's complement of 0 0 1 1 or minus 3. Okay. Now this minus 3, when you get the 1's complement, you have got this 1 1 0 0. You have got this 1 1 0 0. Now once you got this 1's complement of minus 3, we have to add this with the binary representation of 5. So what you have got for 5? It is 0 1 0 1, 0 1 0 1. You have to add this with the 1's complement of minus 3. It will be 1 1 0 0. Now here the important calculation is here. The important calculation is here now. Okay. बहुत सारे बच्चों का यहाँ पे गलत होता है. Okay. So the steps are very simple. You have to get the 1's complement of a negative number. Positive number will be written in its binary form as it is. So for plus 5, I have written 0 1 0 1. For minus 3, the 1's complement is 1 1 0 0. Once you get the 1's complement of negative number and the binary representation of positive number, you have to add them. You have to add them. You have to add them. Okay. So indirectly, I can say the negative number is converted into the positive form. Now this is the positive form of minus 3 by using 1's complement. Okay. In actual sense. Okay. Now once we add this, now this is a binary addition. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. So carry 1 I have written here. I want everyone to pay attention. यहाँ पे बच्चों की गलतियां होती है, तो यहाँ पे आपको ध्यान देना है. Again I'm repeating, I'm doing the addition. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry as 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry as 1. So 1 carry I have written here. 1 carry I have written. Okay, 1 carry I have written. So here the important thing which you have to understand, that whenever you get 1, then this is a carry. This carry has to be added to the LSB of the result. LSB of this one has to be added with the LSB of the result. what is the addition, what is the result of this addition of these numbers? We have 0, 0, 1. So whenever the carry is generated, if the carry is generated, that has to be added at the LSB of the result. So this is the, we have to add. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. So carry 1, so that will be written as it is, and it is 0, 0. It is 0, 0. Okay. So this is the answer we get. This is the answer we have get. Now we have to check what we have got 0, 0, 1, 0. So you have got 0, 0, 1, 0. Now in this case, we have to check the MSB now. This is the final answer. 0, 0, 1, 0 is the final answer. We have to check the MSB. We have to check the MSB. If your MSB is 0, that it shows that your answer is positive and it is the true binary form. The answer is positive and it is the true binary form. I am repeating again. Whenever you get the MSB as 0, the final answer, when you get the MSB as 0, it indicates that the result is positive and it is the true binary form. It is the true binary form. So tell me, what is 0, 0, 1, 0? What is 0, 0, 1, 0? The equivalent, what is the decimal equivalent of 0, 0, 1, 0?
2.
It is 2. It is 2. And the 2 we have seen here in decimal form. So 0010 is the true binary form and the answer is positive. You have to check the MSB. You have to check the MSB. You have to check the MSB. Okay. So all of you pay attention. Again, I'm explaining you this. I have taken a simple example to show you 5 minus 3 and how do you get the difference of 5 minus 3 by using 1's complement. In decimal form, you know 5 minus 3 is 2. But how do you get by using 1's complement? So take the binary representation of positive number, take the 1's complement of negative number. Positive numbers representation is 0, 1, 0, or 0, 1, 0, 1, and 1's complement of minus 3 is 1, 1, 0, 0. Once you get this, you have to add them. You have to add them. Once you add them, if the carry is generated from the MSB, this carry has to be added to the result. Has to be added with the LSB of the result. So once we add them, you get 0, 0, 1, 0. Then you have to see the MSB. If the MSB is 0, that means the number is positive. The number is positive and it is the true binary form. It is the true binary form. You will understand this true binary form ka matlab with the next example. You will understand the meaning of true binary form ka matlab kya hota hai in the next example. Okay, so 0010 is equivalent to decimal number 2, and this is your answer. And your 2 is nothing but positive answer. So your 0 is indicated by the positive, and 2 representation is a true binary form, that is 001. Have you understood this calculations to get the difference 5 minus 3? Yes or no? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now what I'm going to do now, to make your concept more clear, now here I will do one change. The change is that I want the calculation in this form now. 5 minus 3. पहले मैंने 5 minus 3 लिया था, now it is 3 minus 5. Now it is 3 minus 5. So 3 is in decimal, 5 in decimal. Tell me the answer in decimal. Tell me the answer in decimal. 3 minus 5 gives you what? In decimal. Minus
2.
Very good. It is minus 2. It is minus 2 in decimal. Minus 2 in decimal. Now, how do you solve this? How do you solve this by 1's complement? Everyone pay attention. The steps are same, but the analysis is something different. The steps are same, लेकिन जो हम अभी हम जो analysis करेंगे वो जरा सा different रहेगा. Again, follow the same thing. Here 3 is the positive number, so I can directly write down this in the binary form as 0011. 0011. About minus 3 in the 1's complement form, minus 3 in the 1's complement form. 5 को हम binary में कैसे लिखते हैं? It is written as 0101. In 1's complement, you have to complement these 4 bits. So 0 की जगह 1 और 1 की जगह 0. 1 0, 1, 0. So this is 1's complement of minus 5, and this is binary representation of 3. Add them. 0, 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, 1, 0. पे अटेंशन, यहाँ पे गलतियां होती है, यहाँ तक सब बराबर लिखते हैं, आगे गलतियां होती है बिकॉज एनालिसिस गलत होते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द एनालिसिस हियर नाउ? डू द एडिशन. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 will be written as it is, then 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, now here there is no carry generated. Now here there is no carry generated. ये अभी देखो, मैं एनालिसिस कर रहा हूँ. You have to pay attention to the words which I am saying now. You have got 1, 1, 0, 0. There is no carry generated from the MSB. Okay, okay, fine. There is no carry generated, fine. But if you do the analysis on the MSB, if you do the analysis of MSB, the MSB is 1. The MSB is 1. The MSB is 1. It means that the answer is negative. The answer is negative and it is not the true binary form. ये जो 1 है ना MSB, इसका मतलब है कि the answer is negative and the result is not in the true binary form. If it is not in the true binary form, तो फिर ये क्या है? 1101 क्या है? तो ये है 1's complement of the result. It is the 1's complement of the result. It is the 1's complement of the result. Okay, तो ये एनालिसिस में ये पता चलता है कि जो भी रिजल्ट है वो नेगेटिव है और जो भी रिजल्ट है वो दैट इज नॉट द ट्रू बाइनरी फॉर्म. तो ये 110 जो आपको दिख रहा है, दैट इज द 1's complement of the result. So if I get the 1's complement of this, then that will be the actual result. So tell me the 1's complement of 1101. Tell me the 1's complement of 1101. Yes.
1010.
1010.
010.
00 हाँ 0010. 0010. 1 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट 0, 1 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट 0, 0 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट 1, 1 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट 0. So it is 0010. So 0010. What is the decimal equivalent of 0010?
2.
Yes. Can you see here 2? And the result, what analysis we have done for when you got this MSB as 1, कि result जो है वो negative है. So can you see the result is negative? Can you see the result is negative? So this is the analysis. ये analysis बच्चे बरोबर नहीं करते. This is the analysis. Okay. So I am repeating once again. आप यहाँ तक पहुंच जाओगे. आप बाइनरी एडिशन भी कर लोगे, लेकिन यहाँ पे एनालिसिस इंपॉर्टेंट है. यहाँ पे एनालिसिस ये है कि MSB से कैरी जनरेट नहीं हुआ है. ओके, लेकिन जब हम MSB जब देखते हैं तो वो 1 है. इसका मतलब जो भी कुछ फाइनल रिजल्ट है वो निगेटिव है, वो आंसर निगेटिव है. और दूसरा एनालिसिस ये कहता है कि ये जो आपको फाइनल ये जो मिला है, दैट इज नॉट द ट्रू बाइनरी फॉर्म. वो ट्रू बाइनरी फॉर्म में नहीं है, तो फिर वो क्या है? वो है 1's complement of the result. और अगर मुझे ट्रू बाइनरी फॉर्म में चाहिए तो ये 1101 को 1's complement में कन्वर्ट करो. 1's complement में कन्वर्ट करो तो आपको क्या मिला? 0010. So this is the true binary form now of the result. This is the true binary form of the result. So 0010 मतलब है डेसिमल में 2. और ये जो हमने एनालिसिस किया था, जो आपको MSB 1 मिला था, कि जो रिजल्ट है वो नेगेटिव है, एंड दैट इज नेगेटिव. So -2 is the answer. -2 is the answer. Any question, any doubt? Whatever I have explained you can write down in your register in your own words for better understanding. And if you have any questions, please ask me. Any question, any doubt? Yes or no?
सर
हाँ,
सर फिर फाइनल आंसर में क्या लिखना है?
किसमें क्या में?
इसका फाइनल आंसर 1101 लिखे कि 001 का ये
नहीं, इसका फाइनल आंसर आपको जो लिखना है ना, आपको ये सब कैलकुलेशंस करने हैं। ये तो मैंने डायरेक्टली लिखा है, डायरेक्टली आपको ये नहीं लिखना है। -2 कैसा है वो आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप करना है। एंड यू हैव टू राइट डाउन सम सेंटेंस दैट whenever that the MSB is 1, so it indicates the final answer is negative, and 1101 indicates that it is not the true binary form. It is actually the ones complement of the final result. To get the true binary form, convert this into ones complement. Convert this into ones complement. So you have got 0010. So this is actually the true binary form of the result. So 0010 is nothing but 2, and this indicates the negative answer. So the final answer is -2. So final
Yes.
answer is -2. This is how it should be, and this is how the approach should be. This is how the approach should be. Is it fine? Is it fine?
yes sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अभी मैंने छोटा नंबर लिया था. I will take a bigger number for your understanding. We will take a bigger number. Now suppose I am taking a bigger number, and suppose I am taking I will take 25 minus 30. 25 minus 30. Do not write anything now, just pay attention. I am taking a bigger number. 25 minus 30. मैं डायरेक्टली आंसर नहीं लिखता हूँ. हम ढूंढेंगे आंसर क्या है. 25 is a decimal. 30 is also decimal. I want the answer. Okay. We have to solve this by using ones complement. We have to solve this by using ones complement. So how to get the ones complement? 25 is the positive, so I can write down the binary equivalent. Please, any one of you tell me what is the binary equivalent of 25?
11001.
11001. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 20, 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Is it right? The representation, everyone agrees with this?
Yes, sir.
किसी को डाउट है? ये सब मैंने सिखाया अभी. Everything I have explained you. Shall we proceed? किसी को नहीं समझा तो पूछो कि सर ये 11001 कहाँ से आया. So okay, हाँ ठीक है. 11001 is the binary format. I have to represent -30 in ones complement. In ones complement. सबसे पहले लिखना है 30 को बाइनरी फॉर्म में. कोई तो बताओ मुझे 30 को बाइनरी फॉर्म में कैसे लिखते हैं.
1110.
एक मिनट. हाँ बोलो.
1110.
111.
Sir,
4 times 1.
Sir, 4 times
4
1.
times 1. 4 times 1.
ओके. हाँ 11110. अभी बराबर है.
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the ones complement of -30 now.
4 zeros and 1.
4
Very
zeros.
good. 4 zeros and 1. Okay, 4 zeros and 1. Okay, so you have to add them. So 11001 plus 00001. Okay, so we have to add them. So whenever you do the addition, we have to see that it is a binary addition. Okay, it is a binary addition. Now, but before we proceed further, we have to understand that these number of ones, whether it has to be represented in the 5-bit representation or it has to be represented with more than that. Okay, क्योंकि हमको ये पता होना चाहिए कि हम जब इसको रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं तो हमको रिप्रेजेंटेशन इसका क्या फॉर्म में चाहिए. सो हम जब बाइनरी में करते हैं, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन जितने मिनिमम बिट्स लगते हैं हमको, उतने ही मिनिमम बिट्स में हम लिखेंगे. ओके, उतने ही मिनिमम बिट्स में हम लिखेंगे. ओके, उतने ही मिनिमम बिट्स में हम लिखेंगे. सो हियर वी हैव गॉट 11001 and this is also 0004. So we have to add them. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. So that one is written here also. This is 0, this is 1, this is 1. Now you have got your MSB as 1. There is no carry generated. There is no carry generated. But if you see the analysis, you have got here 1. So it indicates what? It indicates your final result is a negative. The final answer is a negative. And the whatever the you have got the result, that is not the true binary form of the result. So what is that? That is the ones complement of the result. To get the true binary form, you have to complement this. You have to complement this. So when you complement this, it is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Can any one of you tell me what is the decimal equivalent of 0, 0, 1, 0, 1?
5.
5.
5. 5. So this 5 is this, and this MSB is minus. So minus 5 is the answer. Minus 5 is the answer. Okay. So I think you can solve as many problems as you can. Okay. Just I have given you the understanding that how you have to be represented in the ones complement, and how do you get the result, and the analysis part, and the analysis part, and the analysis part. अगर यही मैं अगर 30 minus 25 करता हूँ तो you'll get the answer as 5. ठीक है, वो भी हम करके देखते हैं, वो भी हम करके देखते हैं. So 30 minus 25 gives you what? 30 का आपने अभी बताया था 30 का रिप्रेजेंटेशन क्या है? 30 का रिप्रेजेंटेशन है 4 times 1 0, 4 times 1 0, 4 times, so इसका 4 times 1 0, एंड माइनस 25 को आप रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करोगे? माइनस 25 को आप कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हो बाइनरी में? फटाफट बताओ.
1 1 0 0 1.
1 1 0 0 1. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट में हम उसको लिखेंगे 0 0 1 1 0. दोनों को ऐड करते हैं. 0 1 plus 1 is 0, कैरी 1, 1 plus ये कैरी 1 यहाँ पे आ गया. 1 plus 1 0, अगेन यहाँ पे कैरी आएगा. वो 0 plus 1 is 1. Then here again it is 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. ये देखो कैरी आ गया. अब यहाँ पे एनालिसिस ये किया जाएगा. ये जो 1 आया है, ये जो 1 आया है, that has to be added with the LSB of the result. So add this. तो मैं यहाँ पे नीचे लिखता हूँ 1 plus 0 is 0, 0 वैसे के वैसे, ये 1 वैसे के वैसे, ये 0 और ये 1. Okay, now here we have to see the result now. In the result you have got the MSB as 1. You have got the MSB as 1. Okay, and once you get the MSB as 1, हमको क्या करना है? अगर MSB 1 आता है तो
सर वो MSB नहीं कैरी है.
सॉरी
MSB 0 है ना?
हाँ सॉरी यहाँ पे MSB 0 है. वेट, ये आंसर राइट है ना? 1 0 0 1 0 0.
यस सर, राइट है.
हाँ ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
MSB 0 है, LSB में
हाँ.
1 आएगा.
हाँ, MSB में 1 है, वो हमने MSB को 1 हमने यहाँ पे ऐड किया. तो 1 plus 0 इज यहाँ पे 1 आएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ सॉरी, वो गलत हो गया था. यहाँ पे 1 है, ये 0 है, ये 1 वैसे के वैसे है. ठीक है, बाद में ये 0 है, ये 0 है, और बाद में ये 1 है. हाँ ठीक है, नाउ इट इज फाइन. सो सॉरी, ये नहीं लेंगे हम अभी बराबर है.
Yes, sir.
यस
हाँ
सर.
हाँ, अभी इसका मतलब हाँ, अभी एनालिसिस करना है. एनालिसिस करने में फिर से MSB देखो, MSB 0 है, MSB 0 मतलब आंसर इज पॉजिटिव और द रिजल्ट इज द ट्रू बाइनरी फॉर्म. सो व्हाट इज 0 0 1 0 1?
5.
Right, very good. So plus 5 is the answer. Plus 5 is the answer. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So we will proceed towards the same calculation by using 2's complement. Now the same calculation by using 2's complement कैसे करते हैं, we will see here now. I will take the same example. पहले छोटे example लेते हैं. 5 minus 3. So 5 is in the decimal, 3 is also decimal. The answer which we get, I do not know what is the answer. So 5 minus 3. I want to solve this by using 2's complement. See the procedure. The steps are same. Only the analysis is different. Only the analysis आप जो करेंगे वो अभी different रहेगा. Okay. Now see the analysis. What is the analysis? So 5 minus 3, 5 will be written as it is. So the binary equivalent of 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is a binary representation. About minus 3, I have to represent in 2's complement. So I'm going to skip my 1's complement directly. मैं 2's complement लिखता हूँ. लेकिन हम 3 को कैसे लिखते हैं? 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1 ये हम लिखते हैं. Now to get the 2's complement, you please cross check जो मैं कर रहा हूँ बराबर है कि नहीं. Okay, you have to go from right towards the left. So this is your first one. So first one will be written as it is, and other bits will be written will be the complement. The other bits will be complement. So this is 1101. This is your 2's complement. Okay. So you have got 2's complement. Now we have to do the addition. So 0101 plus 1101. यहाँ तक बराबर है सब? हाँ या ना? 2's
Yes, sir.
complement बराबर है? हाँ ठीक है. Now आप लोग यहाँ तक बराबर पहुंच जाओगे. आंसर भी आप बराबर लिखोगे. सीधा आंसर ना. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. 1 will be written as it is. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. So you have got this MSB carry. We have got this MSB carry now. Okay. Now here MSB indicates what? That the result is negative and it is in the 2's complement form. ये 1 जो है इसका मतलब है कि जो भी आपका रिजल्ट है,
So
the one,
carry
sorry, wait, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1.
positive आएगा ना?
हाँ, wait. Whenever you are doing this addition, whenever you do this in the addition, and whenever you get the MSB, whenever you get this MSB, so 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 is written as it is, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, then 1 plus 1 is 0, again there is 1 carry. Now we have to do the analysis. So what I mean to say that, have you got the carry from the MSB? Yes or no? Have you got the carry from
Yes,
the
sir.
MSB?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes.
अभी यहाँ पे एनालिसिस जो मैं बता रहा हूँ अभी याद से सुनो, because I am doing for the 2's complement. 1's complement you have understood. We will see for what is the analysis we have to do for this particular 2's complement, for the 2's complement. So whenever I am doing this addition, whenever I do this addition, you have to see that the final result जो हमें मिलता है, the final result which I am getting, वो रिजल्ट का एनालिसिस हम सेम एज 1's complement करते हैं या it is something different, या फिर it is something different. Okay, so what is that analysis we will see now. Whatever the MSB you are getting, whatever the carry you are getting, that carry has to be ignored. Asterisk, double asterisk. If I am getting the carry from the MSB, अब यहाँ से मुझे carry मिला ना, ये वाला, यहाँ से मुझे carry मिला ये. So this carry has to be ignored. इसलिए मैंने 2 asterisk डाला. एनालिसिस देखो, 2's complement का एनालिसिस है ये. अगर कैरी जनरेट हुआ MSB से तो उसको इग्नोर करना है. Then this will be your MSB. This is your MSB. Your MSB is 0. It indicates the result is positive. And in true binary form. तो इसको जब मैं इग्नोर करूंगा तो MSB ये होगा, और MSB मेरा 0 है, इसका मतलब रिजल्ट इज पॉजिटिव. ये रिजल्ट इज पॉजिटिव का इधर आएगा, यहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्ट होगा, और इट इज द ट्रू बाइनरी फॉर्म. व्हाट इज 0010 इन डेसिमल?
2.
यस, इट इज 2.
2.
हाँ, तो ये है, here it is the twist. You have to ignore the carry generated. You have to ignore the carry generated. Here you have to ignore the carry generated. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
समझा? ये दिमाग में डालो, बच्चों के ये दिमाग में नहीं जाता है और गलतियां करते हैं. So here you have to understand कि I have to ignore. Okay. Now this is for 5 minus 3. We will see for 3 minus 5. We will go to the next page. We will see for 3 minus 5 now. What is the answer? We are solving this by using 2's complement. So 3 will be written as it is. So it is 0, 0, 1, 1. For minus 5 directly मैं 2's complement लिखता हूँ. 2's complement. So 5 is written as 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. So you go from right towards the left. So you have encounter 1. So it will be written as it is. And others will be complemented. So it is 1, 0, 1. 1, 0. It is 1, 0, 1. It is 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now after this, we have to add them. So when you add them, so it is 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, carry 1. 1 will be written as it is, and this 1 will be written as it is. यहाँ तक आप लोग बराबर करते हो, एनालिसिस करने में प्रॉब्लम आता है. Now see, I want everyone to see the analysis now. Everyone see the analysis. Whenever you do the analysis, you will try to understand that what result we have got and how do you do the analysis here. How do you do the analysis? Now, whenever you are doing the analysis, you have to understand that you have to see the MSB bit. You have to see the MSB bit. Okay. Now, MSB bit you have got as 1. Whenever you get your MSB bit 1, because देखो ये MSB से कुछ कैरी जनरेट नहीं हुआ है. अगर कैरी जनरेट होता था तो हम 1 लिखते थे और उसको इग्नोर करते थे, लेकिन यहाँ पे कैरी जनरेट नहीं हुआ है, हम डायरेक्टली ये 1 को MSB ट्रीट करेंगे. अभी यहाँ पे मुझे एनालिसिस करना है. अब यहाँ पे मुझे एनालिसिस क्या करना है कि दिस MSB is 1, that means your answer is negative. Your answer is negative and it is in the 2's complement form. This is in the 2's complement form. So answer is negative is indicated by MSB, and the final answer is not the true binary form. So what is it? It is the 2's complement form. It is the 2's complement form. It is the 2's complement form. तो इसका 2's complement क्या है? डायरेक्टली मैं लिखता हूँ. आपको करना है तो 1's complement करो और बाद में 2's complement कन्वर्ट करो, लेकिन मैं डायरेक्टली करता हूँ. डायरेक्टली कैसे करना है? Go from right towards the left. Go from right towards the left. Encounter the first one. मेरा फर्स्ट वन यहाँ पे है. मेरा फर्स्ट वन यहाँ पे है. ओके. तो उसके पहले वाला वैसे के वैसे लिखना है, वो 1 भी वैसे के वैसे लिखना है, और बाकी 1 के बाद का जो है उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेना है. ये देखो कॉम्प्लीमेंट ले लिया. तो दिस इज अ ट्रू बाइनरी फॉर्म. दिस इज अ ट्रू बाइनरी फॉर्म. सो व्हाट इज इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ 0010? What is equivalent of 0010? 2. And this one MSB is giving you the negative answer. It is the negative. It is the negative answer. Is it fine to everyone now? Is it fine to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone is satisfied with the explanation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी हम फिर से काम करते, छोटा वाला अभी ये बड़ा वाला लेते, 25 minus 20 करते. ओके. 35 minus 20 करते. ओके. एंड वी विल सी व्हाट इज द आंसर. ओके. अभी मुझे फटाफट बताओ 35 बताओ 35 इन बाइनरी. इन बाइनरी.
10010.
10001.
10011.
1
What?
Yes, sir.
10011. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. और -2 का 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट डायरेक्टली बता दो, या फिर ठीक है मैं बताता हूँ। 20 को कैसे लिखते हैं बाइनरी में, पहले बताओ।
वन जीरो वन जीरो
10100.
बराबर है, 101000।
Yes, sir.
नहीं, कुछ तो गलत हुआ है।
सर लास्ट में दो ही
एक
जीरो
जीरो कम और एक जीरो कम, लास्ट का एक जीरो कम.
एक, अब ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Yes.
10100, ओके 10100। अब यहाँ पे हमेशा याद रखना, ये रिप्रेजेंटेशन देखो कितने बिट का है, 1 2 3 4 5 6, और ये कितना है 1 2 3 4 5। अभी जहाँ पे ये ऐसा डिफरेंस आता है, वी हैव टू सी दैट वी हैव टू अपेंड जीरोस। अभी हम वो जीरो अपेंड कहाँ पे करेंगे, वी विल सी ना। तो 10100, तो ये ये है आपका, सॉरी ये है आपका बाइनरी रिप्रेजेंटेशन। अब इसको 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट में करेंगे, यू गो फ्रॉम राइट टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट। तो ये पहले वाला 1 यहाँ पे है, तो मैं डायरेक्टली लिखता हूँ, जो दिस इज 0, दिस इज 0, 1 वैसे के वैसा, इसका 1 और इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट ये। दिस इज राइट नाउ 01100 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, अभी ये आपको मिल गया। अभी डू द एडिशन, 1 प्लस दिस इज 1, दिस इज 1, दिस इज 1, दिस इज 1, दिस इज 0 एंड दिस इज 1, दिस इज 1। सो यू हैव गॉट MSB हियर। सो यू हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट, ये देखो ये 6 रिप्रेजेंटेशन बिट, ये 5 रिप्रेजेंटेशन। सो यू शुड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम LSB। ये जगह खाली है, इसको खाली रहने दो, नो प्रॉब्लम। ओके, so this is how you have got the MSB as 1. Ignore this, okay? So it means whatever the answer you will get, that is a true binary form. So ये जब MSB हो जाएगा, so that means your answer is positive, then and it is a true binary form. So what is 01111? What is it?
15.
1111, it is 15,
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
and this 0 का मतलब होता है कि your MSB is positive, okay? And the last one now, 20 minus 35, so this is decimal, answer I want in decimal, okay? So 20 minus 35, okay? तो 20 को आप कैसे लिखते हो, अभी आपने लिखा था, so 10100, 10100, और माइनस 35 को 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट में कैसे लिखते हो? पहले बाइनरी रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ 35 क्या लिखा था आपने? 1000011,
Yes, sir.
1000011। अभी इसका 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट फिर से राइट से लेफ्ट जाओ, तो पहले यहाँ पे 1 आता है, तो 1 वैसे के वैसे रहेगा, और बाकी सब कॉम्प्लीमेंट हो जाएंगे, 0 1 1 1, और ये हो गया 0। ये देखो ये 5 बिट है और ये 6 बिट है, ओके? ऐड देम, सो 1 as it is, 0 as it is, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, carry 1, and 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1। कहीं कुछ गलत हुआ है?
सही है सर।
बराबर है ना?
यस सर।
Okay, so here what you have got, here no carry is generated from the MSB, ये अलग बात है। no carry generated from the MSB, ये अलग बात है, okay? तो ये जो MSB मिला इसको मैं इग्नोर नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि ये कैरी वाला 1 नहीं है, ये एडिशन वाला 1 है, ये कैरी वाला 1 नहीं है, इसको मैं इग्नोर नहीं करूंगा। ये भी बच्चे गलतियां करती है इन हरी। Okay, so please keep your mind cool and see that this one is generated through the MSB carry, or it is actually the addition. So it is actually the addition that cannot be ignored. So if MSB is 1, if your MSB 1 is it means your result is negative. It means your result will be negative. Okay, and add this one. Sorry. हाँ, ये मैं देखो मेरे में भी गलत हो रहा है। मैं उसको ऐड करने वाला था। आगे वाला स्टेप बताओ, आगे का एनालिसिस बताओ।
2's complement.
यस, इट इज 2's complement. So 2's complement मुझे इसका चाहिए। The answer which you will get, that is not the true binary form, but it is a 2's complement. So I can get the 2's complement of this. Go from right towards the left. So you have got here 1. So 1 will be written as it is, and other bits will be complemented. So it is 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. अभी बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now it is right. So हाँ, ये होने के बाद आपको हाँ ठीक है, ये हो गया। तो this is the true binary form now. So what is 0 1 1 1 1? It is
15.
15.
yes. So true binary form, and this MSB indicates negative answer. This indicates negative answer. So minus 15 is answer. So I hope you have understood. I have explained you everything in detail, very slowly. I have given you the basic understanding what things will make you create a wrong, give you a wrong answer. So where you have to take care, what are the steps to be followed, and one's complement and two's complement should not be mixed with each other. Okay, galtiyan hoti hai, I know. It's better you solve maximum number of problems in your register, taking different examples, and you will be getting the right answer. आपको अल्टीमेटली पता है 20 minus 35 मुझे minus 15 आना चाहिए, ये आपको पता है minus 15 आना ही चाहिए। तो आप by seeing that you can do some type of calculations, by doing some type of calculations, but in the final result your final answer will not fetch you the answer, but the steps which you are following to get that final answer will fetch you the answer. हमको पता है you are very smart enough, you will directly write on minus 15, नहीं उस पे आंसर नहीं, आपको फुल आउट ऑफ फुल नहीं मिलेगा वो क्वेश्चन पे। आप जो स्टेप्स फॉलो करेंगे, ये जो स्टेप्स आप फॉलो करेंगे, ये सब ये वाला, उस पे आपको मार्क्स मिलने वाले, ये फाइनल आंसर पे मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा। सो अगर आपके स्टेप्स बराबर है तो डेफिनेटली विल गेट द राइट आंसर, दैट इज बट श्योर, बट द एनालिसिस हैज टू बी रिटन डाउन। ये 1 आया था, उसका एनालिसिस आपको लिखना है, दैट एनालिसिस यू हैव टू राइट डाउन कि 1 आया, दैट मींस द रिजल्ट इज नेगेटिव, and whatever you have got this is the 2's complement of the final result. So to get the original form, binary form, you have to convert this into 2's complement, and this is your 2's complement, and this is the original binary, or this is a true binary form. This is a true binary form. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. well, अभी टाइम कितना बाकी है? I think it is 11 o'clock. ठीक है, so this thing we have completed. See, I have taken sufficient time to complete my module number 1, but I am happy that I think you have understood each and everything, every concept. Okay, all the minute details, you will remember this forever, you will not forget. You have to do the practicing, and once your fundamental and your concepts are clear, the other parts are easy to understand. Okay, so in the next lecture I'll be starting with the next module, that is the logic gate and the logic family. Okay, and once this part is clear, the other parts are simple to understand, and most of you must have also done what are the logic gates. So I think module 2 will be completed in a fewer lectures, but for module number 1 it was necessary for me to complete your each and every to clear your each and every doubt. Okay, so before I end, do you have any questions to ask? Please ask.
Sir,
हाँ,
sir, can you show the once again 35 minus 20?
Yes.
35 minus 20. Okay, एक मिनट. 35 minus 20. This one you are talking about?
Yes, sir.
See, 35 is a positive, so that won't be represented by 2's complement. It will be written in the binary form. So it is 100011. Minus 20 will be represented by in the 2's form. So how do you get the 2's form? So first thing you have to write down 20 in the binary form. So in the binary form, the 20 will be written as the binary form, the 20 will be written as 10100. So 2's complement directly मैं लिख सकता हूँ. I am skipping the 1's complement. So when you travel from right towards the left, you have to see which is the first one. तो फर्स्ट वन मेरा यहाँ पे है. ये वन के पहले भी जो बिट है वो वैसे के वैसे लिखे जाएंगे, तो इसलिए मैंने वैसे के वैसे लिखे हैं. वन भी वैसे के वैसे लिखा है. उसके बाद के जो बिट्स है उसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना है. सो 0 को हो गया 1 और 1 का हो गया 0. सो दिस इज योर 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट. अगर ये
Sir.
आपको पसंद. हाँ
सर इसमें जो MSP आया है वो 1 हो गया ना?
हाँ
हाँ.
सर, it is not carry.
हाँ सर.
वेट.
सर मुझे लगता है वो आपने जो x डाला है ना उधर 1 आना चाहिए.
एक मिनट. 0 0 1 1 वैसे के वैसे, 0 का 1 और 1 का 0. नहीं बराबर है ना? ये कितने बिट है? 1 2 3 4 5 बिट है ना? तो ये देखो ना, ये भी तो 5 बिट है. 1 2 3 4 5. ये ब्लैंक है. दिस इज ब्लैंक. ये कुछ नहीं है. अभी बराबर है. ये दिस इज द 2's complement ऑफ -20. ये बराबर है 0 0 1 1 0 0.
यस सर सही.
Yes, sir.
MSP
हाँ, अभी
1
बराबर.
है.
हाँ अभी देखो, यहाँ तक मैंने किया. अब मुझे सिर्फ ऐड करना है दोनों को. मैं अभी ऐड करूंगा. देखो 1 + 0 1 1 + 0 1 0 + 1 1 0 + 1 1 0 + 0 0 1 जो है नीचे कुछ नहीं है, तो 1 वैसे के वैसे आएगा.
Yes, sir.
बराबर है.
पर ये 1 जो है वो कैरी वाला 1 नहीं है, तो इसको
हाँ.
इग्नोर करना है.
हाँ सर.
ओके. यस. सो देयर इज नो कैरी जनरेटेड ना. सो देयर इज
सर
नो कैरी जनरेटेड. हाँ
सर हम लोग
Yes.
क्या करते थे ना,
हाँ.
दोनों बिट्स को इक्वल रखते थे, फिर कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेते थे.
अच्छा, दोनों बिट्स को.
तो इसके
Okay.
जो आगे है ना 1 0 1 0 0, उसके आगे एक 0 आएगा.
यस
Yes,
यस.
sir. 20 के उधर एक 0 आएगा.
यहाँ पे आएगा.
हाँ करेक्ट. फिर
Yes,
उसका
you are
कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी
right.
हो.
Yes, you are right now. Yes. So I was talking. Yes, you are right now. So what I meant to say that this is your 6-bit representation. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. So to make your subtrahend, जो आप सपरेट कर रहे हो और जिससे सपरेट कर रहे हो वो दोनों बिट सेम होने चाहिए. So you have to append 1 0. Okay, your 1 0 is here. Okay, so this is also 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is also 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now it is fine. Now get the 2's complement of this. Now get the 2's complement. ये 0 का हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 1. ये 0 का हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 1. अभी बराबर है.
यस सर.
हाँ. नाउ डू द एडिशन. हम यहाँ तक पहुंच गए थे. ये 0 और ये 0 क्यों किया, तो ये 0. अब ये 1 + 1 को जब करते हैं तो वो 0 आएगा यहाँ पे. अब हाँ ये बराबर. नाउ दिस इज राइट. और कैरी आता है 1. ये MSB से जो कैरी आएगा इसको मुझे इग्नोर करना है. अभी बराबर है.
यस सर.
Yes,
यस,
sir.
यू आर राइट.
Yes, sir.
अभी बराबर है. और इसको इग्नोर करने के बाद जो भी मेरा आंसर आता है दैट इज अ ट्रू बाइनरी फॉर्म. बराबर है.
यस सर.
हाँ तो ये
15.
आएगा. हाँ प्लस. यस, यू आर राइट. देखो गलती से भी अभी समझ में आएगा मेरे ख्याल से. ये आपकी दिमाग में अभी इट हैज क्रिएटेड अ गुड इंप्रेशन इन योर ब्रेन कि यस जो जिससे सपरेट कर रहा हूँ और जिसको सपरेट कर रहा हूँ वो बिट सेम होने चाहिए. तो यू आर अपेंडिंग हियर. तो अपेंड होने के बाद ही 2's complement निकालो. यहाँ पे अपेंड मत करो 0. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं तो 0 मत लिखो यहाँ पे. दैट विल बी रॉन्ग. तो टू गेट द 2's complement पहले ही आपको 0 को अपेंड करना है ताकि आपको यहाँ पे 1 मिलेगा. बराबर है? Now it is fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you for you are to marking out the corrections there. Okay, that will be well understood by others also. Okay. Is any more questions you have?
सर
हाँ.
सर आप आगे भी ऐसे ही पढ़ाएंगे कि पीपीटी पे मॉड्यूल्स से पढ़ाएंगे आगे वाले?
नहीं, आगे के फटाफट मैं मॉड्यूल्स पे पीपीटी
नहीं
पे
बट सर पीपीटी में पढ़ाएंगे कि जैसे अभी ये वे में आप पढ़ा रहे हो वैसे पढ़ाएंगे?
नहीं, आगे के अभी मॉड्यूल्स है ना, ये मेरे को बेसिक्स पढ़ाने थे इसलिए मैंने ऐसा पढ़ाया. आगे के मॉड्यूल्स मैं फटाफट आगे पीपीटी पे पढ़ाऊंगा. या फिर आप लोगों का मुझे फीडबैक दो. डू यू वांट दैट आई शुड एक्सप्लेन इन दिस मैनर और इट इज बेटर?
ये वाला वे बेटर है सर पीपीटी से.
सर
वो
बेसिक गेट शायद फटाफट कर सकते हो, उसके आगे का जो टॉपिक है ना.
हाँ. नहीं भाई, आप लोग मुझे
सर आप
फीडबैक दो.
पास कर सकते हैं बट सर थोड़ा पीपीटी में कैसे वो रीड वाला टाइप हो जाता है थोड़ा.
हाँ, ठीक है. और कैसे पीपीटी में मैं कुछ लिखना है तो वहाँ पे भी तुरंत लिख के बता सकता हूँ. लेकिन ये कैसा मॉड्यूल नंबर हाँ तो मॉड्यूल नंबर 1 था ना, तो मुझे बेसिक्स में ज्यादा ध्यान देना था और आपको आराम से सिखाना था, तो इसलिए मैंने इस पे पढ़ा. लेकिन आगे के मॉड्यूल जो है ना, वो पीपीटी पे भी मैं पढ़ा के इसमें जरा से जो कुछ लिखना है उसमें भी करके मैं आपको पढ़ा सकता हूँ फटाफट. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है ना?
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
यस. ओके. ऐसा कुछ भी फीडबैक रहा ना तो प्लीज टेल मी, सो दैट आई कैन अकॉर्डिंगली मेक द चेंजेस एंड एज पर योर नीड आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. आई विल टीच. ओके. अटेंडेंस हो गया?
Yes, sir. हो गया.
हाँ सर हो गया.
Yes, sir. Nitin sir.
हाँ, ठीक है. Okay, you can take a leave now. अच्छा, one more thing, don't leave. I think today you have a practical at what time? 3:30 na?
Yes sir.
So I'll
Yes,
be
sir.
engaging. I'll be taking a practical today. So everyone please be present at 3:30. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Bye. Take
Okay,
care. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.